What is a mathematician's favorite tree? A geometry. But that was a good one. That was a good one. Today we're talking about the distributive property. Sorry, Josh came out of his office and he's been staring me down because he does not like my jokes. All right, so the distributive property, if I distribute, usually there's an E at the end, that means I'm giving something out. For the distributive property, it says for any numbers A, B, and C, A times B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Remember, when they're side by side, those parentheses mean multiply. So with the distributive property, what I'm doing is I'm taking that number that's on the outside of the parentheses and multiplying it times the numbers on the inside. So I'm taking A times B and I get AB. I'm taking A times C and I get AC. So for example, let's say I have 3 times x plus 1. I need to distribute that 3 to the numbers on the inside. I need to multiply it times the numbers on the inside. So 3 times x would give me 3x. I bring down my plus, and I take 3 times 1, which is 3. So that would be 3x plus 3. This example over here, we have 4 times 2x plus 9 is equal to 3 times 5 plus x. We're just going to distribute. I take 4 times 2x. What's 4 times 2x? 8x plus 4 times 9, which is 36. And that is equal to, I got to distribute on that side, 3 times 5, which is 15. Bring down my plus, 3 times x, which is 3x. We're not worrying about solving, we're just practicing distributing. So that's all I've got to do on that problem. This second step, or the second example, is a little trickier. The second example, they have negatives. A sign is distributed along with the number. They are friends, they got to stay together. So I have to distribute now this -4. So I have to take -4 times 5. That's going to give me a -20. I have to subtract a -4 times 7. So that's -28. And that's going to equal 20 plus 28. I see when I did my math here, I got a double negative. If I subtract a negative, that turns into addition. So it becomes -20 plus 28, just like we see for our answer there. Double negatives are going to turn into a positive. So let's try an example just like it. I've got my 3. I need to take it times -x. 3 times -x is going to give me a -3x. Bring down my subtraction. I take 3 times 4, which is 12. And that's equal to, same thing on this side, this time I've got a negative. So I gotta bring that with me. -5 times 2x is gonna give me -10x. My subtraction sign, -5 times a +10 is -50. Again, I've got that double negative. What happens with a double negative again? It becomes addition. So my final answer here is going to be -3x minus 12 is equal to -10x plus 50. Plus 50. Let us know if you have any questions on this. We're going to do some examples together.